Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to discuss the remaining session of our chapter, The Brave Little Kite, our third chapter. Okay, are you ready for the class? Take your textbook and pencil with you. Okay, students, do you remember what we have learned in the previous class? Yes, we have learned, we are familiar with the little kite and the big kite. Okay, see in the picture, there is a little kite and a big kite, right? Our little kite is very scared to fly, right? Yes, and what did our big kite said? Yes, just try or you are not going to learn at all. You will never learn to fly. Our big kite said like that. But our little kite was not ready to try at least. He was that much scared. And then what did our big kite do? He said goodbye and he rose towards the calm sky. Right? Okay. Till there we have taken in the previous class. So we can look up the remaining section now. Okay, look at the next paragraph. First, whirling and frightened, then braver grown. Up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite, looking down, could see the little one rising steadily. Okay. Okay, what happened in this paragraph? Before moving to in detail, let us check the new words. It is colored in the blue. Okay, the first word is whirling. Whirling, what is the meaning of whirling? Spinning quickly in circles. അതായത് പെട്ടെന്ന് അതായത് സർക്കിൾസിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ കറങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക, സ്പിൻ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. അതായത് കാറ്റ് വരുമ്പോൾ പട്ടം ഇങ്ങനെ കിടന്ന് കറങ്ങില്ലേ, അത് തന്നെയാണ്, അതാണ് whirling. First, whirling and frightened. Then braver grown. What is the meaning of braver? Yes, courage. Braver grown. Up and up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite, looking down, could see the little one rising steadily. What is the meaning of steadily? It is written there. Yes, firmly held in a particular position, in a straight way. He was rising in a straight way. Steadily he was rising. What happened to the little kite here? Yes, first he felt some fear, and then the braver grown, he got some courage, and he uh, slowly he rose through the air, and he was alone, and the big kite could see that the little one rising steadily in a perfect direction, in a straight way. The little kite was rising. Have you understood this? Yes, our little kite was rising steadily. Look at the next paragraph. Read it. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride, and he sailed with the big kite side by side, while far below he could see the ground and the boys like small dots moving around. Okay, what happened? Now our little kite is thrilled with pride. He felt some pride. Okay, that he rised alone. He rose alone, right? Yes, he rose alone towards the sky, and he is now side by side with the big kite. Okay, so he felt pride and he was very thrilled. And far below, far എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്, ദൂരത്ത്, far below he could see the ground and the boys like small dots moving around, and he could see the boys like the small dots. ഓക്കെ, താഴെയുള്ള കുട്ടികളെ അവൻ എങ്ങനെ കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്? സ്മോൾ ഡോട്ട്സ്, അത്രയും ഉയരത്തിലാണ് നമ്മളുടെ ലിറ്റിൽ കൈറ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ദാറ്റ് ഹി വാസ് വെരി ത്രിൽഡ് വിത്ത് പ്രൈഡ്, ആൻഡ് ഹി സെയിൽഡ് വിത്ത് ദ ബിഗ് കൈറ്റ് side by side, while far below he could see the ground and the boys like small dots moving around. Okay, have you understood? Okay, let's continue. They rest high in the quiet air, and only the birds and clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried. And all because I was brave and I tried. And the little kite and the big kite, where are they? They are in the quiet air, high in the quiet air. And who are there? There was only birds and clouds. Only birds and clouds were there. And the little kite said, "Oh, how happy I am." And the little kite was very happy at that time, and he said that, and all because I was brave and I tried. And the little kite is saying that all these things happened because I was brave. I had enough courage and I tried till I get the goal. Yes, in the next paragraph, what happened? Yes, our little kite and big kite, they are resting in the high sky in the quiet air, and there were only birds and clouds are there. And the little kite cried. Cried means he was very happy, and he said, okay, he cried, "Oh, how happy I am. ഞാൻ എത്രത്തോളം ഹാപ്പിയാണ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾ ബിക്കോസ് ഐ വാസ് ബ്രേവ് ആൻഡ് ഐ ട്രൈഡ്." ഇതെല്ലാത്തിനും കാരണം എന്താണ്? ഞാൻ ധൈര്യവാനാണ്, I was brave and I tried. Okay. Okay, students, that is the story of our little kite. The poem, what happened in the beginning? At the beginning, our little kite was very frightened that he could he believed that he can never do it, right? Then what did the big kite said? The big kite said just to try, and if you didn't try, you will never learn at all. And then also our little kite was not ready to fly, and our big kite, he rose towards the sky, and he said goodbye to the little kite, right? Then what happened? Our little kite was alone there. Then he gathered some courage, and it was whirling and he was frightened, but then the braver grew on, and slowly he rose through the air, and he was alone. And till the big kite, he could see the little one is rising steadily, right? And then what happened? You can see in the picture the little kite and the big kite, they are side by side, right? Okay, they are high in the sky, and they can see these boys in the ground like dots. And they rested in the high quiet air, and there were only birds and clouds were there. And the little kite at that time our little kite said with happiness, what did he say? Yes, how happy I am, and all because I was brave and I tried. Okay, students, have you understood the poem? Okay, students, now look at the picture. There are 3 kids. They are playing with kites, right? Okay, have you ever played with a kite? Okay, students, now look at their face. They are very happy to play with that kite, right? And the sky, look at the sky. The sky is blue, and the clouds are there, and we can see that they are very happy to play with that kite, right? Have you ever played with the kite? Okay, the activity is given there to organize a kite flying day, but that is not possible, right? Okay, students, now let's move to the exercise section. Look at that. The first question is to find 5 pairs of rhyming words. Okay, students, what are rhyming words? Yes, the 2 or more words that ends like similar sound, right? Like cat, pat. The T sound is similar in both the words. For example, like cat, mat, then chalk, talk, then run, bun, like that. The endings will be similar. So we are asked to find out rhyming words from the poem. Okay, students, now look at your textbook and try to find out similar words. The rhyming words will be at the end of the lines. Okay, look at the first 2 lines. The end of the lines are said head, and the words are similar ending, right? Set, head. The sound is d. The ending sound is d. So that is a rhyming word. Then the third line and the fourth line. Look, fly, try. Those words are also rhyming words. And then all fall. Those words have similar sound, right? All fall. Okay, like that you have to find out 5 pairs of rhyming words. Okay, did you understand what are rhyming words? Read this. Rhyming words are the words which have similar ending sound. അവസാനിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഒരു വേർഡ് അവസാനിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ആ സൗണ്ട് സിമിലർ ഒരേപോലെ ആയിരിക്കും. എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് നോക്കൂ. ക്യാറ്റ്, റാറ്റ്, ഗൺ, റൺ, ചോക്ക്, ടോക്ക്. ഇതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ ലാസ്റ്റ് സൗണ്ട് ഒരേപോലെയല്ലേ? അങ്ങനെയുള്ള വേർഡ്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് 5 pairs ഓഫ് റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് ഫ്രം ദി പോയം. ഓക്കെ, ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദി നെക്സ്റ്റ് എക്സസൈസ്. The question answers. We have done 2 questions in the previous class. The third one, how did the little kite rise in the air? How did the little kite rise in the air? The little kite rose through the air alone, and the little one was rising steadily. Straight ആയിട്ടല്ലേ മുകളിലേക്ക് പൊങ്ങി വന്നത്? അപ്പോൾ steadily, steadily, steadily. Okay, look at the next question. What did the little kite see from the sky? എന്താണ് ലിറ്റിൽ കൈറ്റ് ആകാശത്ത് നിന്ന് കണ്ടത്? യെസ്, he could see the ground and the boys like small dots moving around. ഓക്കെ, എന്താണ് കണ്ടത്? ഗ്രൗണ്ട്, താഴെയുള്ള ഗ്രൗണ്ട് കാണാമായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെന്താണ്? സ്മോൾ ഡോട്ട്സ്, ബോയ്സ് ലൈക്ക് സ്മോൾ ഡോട്ട്, ദേ ആർ മൂവിങ് അറൗണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വൈ ഡിഡ് ദ ലിറ്റിൽ കൈറ്റ് ഫീൽ ഹാപ്പി? Because he was at the high in the sky, right? And he was happy because he is in the high sky now with the big kite, right? And all these are because he was brave and he tried. Okay, students, that's all in this chapter, and our little kite is brave and happy now. Okay, from the incident of our little kite, what you have learned? എന്താണ് ലിറ്റിൽ കൈറ്റിൻ്റെ ഈ ഒരു ഇൻസിഡൻ്റ് എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായത്? എന്താണ്? നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും ബ്രേവ് ആയിരിക്കണം. എന്താണ് ബ്രേവ് ആയിട്ടിരിക്കേണ്ടത്? യെസ്, വി ഹാവ് ടു ട്രൈ. നമ്മൾക്ക് പേടിയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ, അത് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു ധൈര്യം നമുക്ക് വേണം, അല്ലേ? നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഓൺലി ദി ഗുഡ് തിങ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇഫ് വി ആർ brave enough to try the things that we are scaring too much, we can acquire success, അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ പേടിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ഉള്ള ധൈര്യം, ഒരു ബ്രേവ് നമുക്കുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we can acquire success. നമുക്ക് സക്സസ് അക്വയർ ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, that's all about this chapter. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.